Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video I have a new unboxing for you. What we have to unbox today is the Royal Kludge RK MG5 computer gaming mouse. Now what this is a basic wireless mouse, and it is set up very similar to the one I have been using by Red Dragon. This one here, very simple, has a couple buttons on the side, lightweight, and it fits in the palm of your hand like any small mouse would. The thing I liked about this one is it looks very similar to my Red Dragon mouse, and I've been using that thing to death. It is making a little bit of squeaks and creaks here and there, and I just wanted to have a replacement just in case this one ends up dying. I can swap it over to this and have that same exact feel. So on the back here we have these specs, and we have the front. I'm going to read some of the specs to you guys. This mouse comes in the color of Dark Night. The weight is 55 grams. The battery is a 650 milliamp. The input is a 5 volt 800 milliamp. It is a wired or 2.4G USB wireless. The sensor is a PixArt PAW3950, and you can pick one of these up on the website rkgaming.com. I'm gonna unbox this thing, show you what you get inside. We'll plug it in, test it out, and see if it works just as well as my other mouse. Split the sticker on the side, and this should just lift open, just like so. On the top here, we have the wireless USB dongle. It connects with the USB-C cable. The mouse is packaged in a nice soft plastic. Very lightweight. It has a nice little curve on the top of it there, so your hand actually rests right on the top, and very smooth to the touch. Mouse wheel is good, and the two buttons on the side. And these things I commonly use in my video games I play, namely to switch weapons or use like a potion or something like that. They're just quick access buttons that I like to set up, and I'll make sure that those work when I get this plugged in. You can change the DPI, so make it slower or faster, and we got the switch over here that changes between the wireless or the wired modes. Inside the package we have a long woven USB cable. Again, it's a USB-C. And I do like that it is the woven style. These are just a lot more durable in my opinion. I've never had one of these fray or snap, so always like to get these versus the plastic coated rubberized ones. We have the user manual here. Now what I didn't see in the package was that mini USB input. Perhaps it's only going to work off of the dongle itself to give you that wireless connectivity, and that's fine. That's how my Red Dragon is set up. I have the USB cable plugged into my PC, and when I want to go wireless, I just plug it into this guy here, set it on my desk, and it transmits to the mouse where I can move it around and see my cursor on the screen all wirelessly. Now if I want to charge the battery on the mouse itself, I just unplug it from this dongle and plug it right into the top of the mouse, and I can continue to use it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this thing plugged in and I'll test it out on the computer and let you know how it works. Alright, so I have the mouse set up here. It's all ready to go. I have it connected just through a wired connection here, and I am using it on my PC. Everything moves very smoothly. The mouse to the touch is very soft and smooth. Almost feels like a very delicate silicone feeling to it. It has a nice grip, and as far as the mouse goes, it works just like my Red Dragon mouse of this similar style. I'm playing one of my games. The buttons on the side work just as well as the other mouse that I have, so I am able to switch my weapon and use my special abilities with these two buttons on the side here. The mouse wheel works fine. I'm able to do all the different settings with that with ease. And I mean, as far as what this comes with, that DPI setting on the bottom, it is fine on the normal mode as soon as you plug this in. So no issues with that. Say I do want to change it though to speed it up. There's a little LED indicator that does change colors to let you know. So that's a bit faster when I click it once. Click it another time, we got the pink indicator. This is super fast on the screen. Then we got at blue, extremely fast. White, it's zooming all over the screen. And green, this is a little bit slower, too slow for my taste. And we're back at red. So red is going to be your classic setting. If you do need to have more precision, you can change the DPI settings on the bottom of the mouse there. Now what I want to do is get this thing plugged into the USB dongle. So I have that here. We probably have enough battery life on this guy. So I have that plugged in. And we need to change the mode. So changing it to G gives you the 2.4G USB connectivity. The B on the bottom, I believe that's going to be Bluetooth. So if you do have a Bluetooth adapter on your PC, you're able to utilize that. But anyway, I'm using the mouse again, completely wirelessly. Works exactly like it does with the wired connection. And I'm able to use all the different modes with those side buttons there. So, overall, really good mouse, feels good. I'll probably replace the existing mouse just because, like I said, I've been using that thing for a solid year now and like to keep everything in new pristine condition. So great mouse, does the job. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these computer mice for yourselves, take a look at the link in the description below. I will have it posted there. And if you guys like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.